Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are looking to give your home trendy and luxurious look in 2025, you are in the right place and you forget the traditional tiles with those visible joints that trying the vibe. Today I am diving into the world of epoxy metallic tiles and 3D flooring. This ultimate game changer for your interiors. It's seamless and customizable and gives you that premium glossy finish for your floors. And let's break it down how it's work, the cost and lifespan and why it's perfect for your home. So friends, first we know what is the epoxy flooring. It's smooth and joint free flooring, the solution that can be customized to any design you want. And you want an Italian marbles look, done it's a 3D ocean or sky effect, you got it. The metallic variation with colors like white paired with golden or grey flakes. It's super and trendy for homes. It's not just for factors or office anymore. This is that go for of chic and modern interiors. When the lights hit, its glossy shine takes your space a whole new level for luxurious look. And let's talk about how it's done. The first your floor needs to be prepared. Think clean and dry concrete with no moisture. And here is the process in a nutshell. The first one is the primer coat. A base layer is applied and left to the cure for 24 hours. And second one is the base coat. This is where your design start taking shape. It's applied in 2-3 mm thickness to ensure a smooth even surface, no bumps or waves. And third one is the design layer for metallic epoxy. They added to those stunning metallic flakes or patterns. For 3D epoxy and custom design sheet like dolphins or starry sky in place. And fourth one is the top coat. It's two layer of top coat about 2-3 mm thickness, a seal and tail. The final thickness is around 4 to 5 mm. It's giving to the durable and glossy finish for your flooring. And here is the best part. The top coat is the anti-skid. It's no worry about the slipping even water spills. Why choose the epoxy floor? And first it's seamless and no ugly joints like tiles. And second it's fully customizable and any design, any color, any vibe. And third it's durable with lifespan 15 to 20 years. If done right, the plus it's low maintenance, no heavy scrubbing or harsh chemicals need. Just avoid to the sharp tools or dragging heavy furniture to keep its freshening. And now let's talk about the money. Back in the day, epoxy flooring was priced at 600 to 650 rupees per square feet, mainly for industrial use. But in 2025, it's way for more affordable. Expect to the pay around 350 to 400 rupees per square foot in India for 100 square foot room. That roundly around the cost is the 35,000 to 40,000 rupees. Yes, it's pricier than tiles, which cost is 100 to 120 rupees per square foot. But the premium look, the customization, and worthy if lifespan is aiming for that wow factor. And here is my top tips for you getting epoxy flooring the right choosing the professionals. Look for certified companies like High Create, Decorative System, Epoxy Polymer or Stone Road Eco Create in India. It's search Indian Mart or Google for local suppliers. Pick quality materials. You can buy epoxy materials from Amazon or local paint stores, but ensure they are from trusted brands. Proper mixing is key. So let's pros the handle it. And ensure dry surface, no moisture or seepage in your floor before starting. And another one more important point is the ventilation is crucial. The process takes 4 to 5 days and you will need to good airflow to avoid aeration from the fumes. And go for white with metallic flakes. Trust me, white with golden or grey flakes give to the luxurious timeless vibe for your floors. And imagine this your living room or bedroom with glossy seamless floor that shines under the lights and customized to your dreamy design. It's not just flooring, it's statement you're ready to elevate your home interiors 2025. Epoxy metallic or 3D flooring is a way you go to. So what do you think? Are you ready to ditch those boring tiles and go for epoxy? Drop your thought in the comments and let me know what designs you choose. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more home decor designs. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.